All right, folks, as with many landscape lighting installations, you always start with kind of your existing conditions, what the property looked like before you started making the improvements. And most often times when the homeowner looks at the front entry and the garage, the existing carriage lights that are there leave something to be desired. And so they want to basically improve those along with the other lights that they're doing in the landscape or on the architecture. And that's what our homeowner is doing now. He's basically just removing the old carriage light that is existing outside of his front door because, in his words, it was a little glary. It was projecting light outwards instead of where he really wanted it to be, onto the ground plane and on the architecture. So he's going to remove that and then basically swap it out with the new fixture. Obviously, safety first. He went ahead and turned off the breaker for this particular fixture to make sure that there was no shock involved. This is 120, so it is obviously line voltage. And when you deal with line voltage, you want to make sure that that breaker is turned off. Now with these connectors, obviously there's no silicone in those. What he's doing right now is basically pulling the existing connections out, and he'll then unscrew those wire nuts and remove those, and then we'll be free from our connection there, and we'll replace it with the new connectors that came with the fixture. And anytime that there is an uncomfortable feeling and you don't want to deal with line voltage, obviously an electrician would be able to do this for you, and the rest of the property could be done, low voltage, and obviously there's no risk there with low voltage. So again, super easy to remove, super easy to replace, as Michael's showing you all, and it's going to drastically change the look of the front of this architecture. All right, guys, as you can see, removing an existing carriage light or sconce that might exist outside your front door or garage is not a tough thing to do, even though it is line voltage. Just make sure that you turn the power to that fixture off at the breaker, and then ultimately it's removing it and replacing the wires white to white, black to black, and replacing the ground. Pretty straightforward stuff. It will drastically change the look of the front of this home. Looking forward to seeing it at night.